Hi, good day everyone. Welcome to Learning with Sowa. This is our third episode of our bilingual series where we are learning isiXhosa, and how we're doing this is that we are using the novel In Search of Happiness, written by Sowa, yours truly. So this novel is about displacement, it's about resilience, it's about intercultural friendships. And so we are translating it bit by bit, and in that way you get to learn isiXhosa and you get to learn about the South African culture and the people in South Africa. It is a fiction novel, but it gives you a glimpse of what we are dealing with, some of the challenges that we have in the country, but also some of the things that make us happy as society or as communities in South Africa. As you know, we always start with practicing our vowels. The vowels A, E, I, O, and U are pronounced differently in isiXhosa. You'll remember from our first episode, we said that A is pronounced A, A is pronounced A, so A for A, and E is pronounced E, E is pronounced E, so E for E in isiXhosa, and the vowel I is pronounced E, I is pronounced E, I is E, and O is pronounced O, O is pronounced O, and the last one, U, is pronounced U, U, U for U. And as you know, we practice our three letters that are quite important or have certain clicks in them. And these letters are C, X, and Q. C, X, and Q. The letter C is pronounced. You'll remember from one of our episodes, we said an example of a word that has the letter in it is ehamba. For an earring, ehamba. So the tongue to the front of your teeth for ehamba. And the next one is the letter X, pronounced more to the back and the sides of your tongue. And an example of a word that has the letter X in it, there are a number of them, but one of them could be ixesha, is ixesha for time. Ixesha for time. I'm not wearing a watch now, but ixesha is for time. Ixesha is for time. And the last one is the Q. Last one is the Q, pronounced. So you're pulling your tongue sort of like from the roof of your mouth. You're going, dropping it. And one of the examples that we gave is that iqanda is a word for an egg, is iqanda in isiXhosa. And that's one example of a word that has the letter Q pronounced in it. So shifting to today's focus in terms of the book, In Search of Happiness, we are still with the blurb, and you know how we do it. We first read the blurb so that you have a full context of this paragraph and what we are talking about, and we extract a part of it for translation. So the blurb reads as follows. Nana is 15 when she travels from her village in the Eastern Cape to the city. She is overjoyed to be reunited with her family, even if they are living in a tiny shack. But she struggles to fit in at her new school, and she is shocked at the violence shown to Chino and Agnes, her Zimbabwean neighbors. When she and Agnes become close friends and find love in unexpected places, Nana learns firsthand just how brutal ignorance can be and how hard it is to hold on to happiness. So that's the blurb of a fictional story set in South Africa, used for the purposes of learning the language of isiXhosa. Now today's focus, we are focusing on the part when she travels from her village. When she travels from her village. And how you would say that in isiXhosa is xa ehamba esuka kwilali yakhe. Now, if we're taking it word for word, is xa, is when, xa, ndifunda, funda is to read. So xa ndifunda is when I am reading. In the case of Nana, xa ehamba, when she travels. So the xa, one of the clicks in isiXhosa, xa ehamba, when she travels. From her village, esuka kwilali yakhe. Now from is esuka, like from. Esuka esikolweni, coming from school. Usonwabiso esuka emsebenzini. Sonwabiso coming from work, esuka. Now the opposite of that would be esiya, like going to. But in this case is esuka kwilali yakhe. Lali is a village. Lali is a village, and yakhe meaning hers, like her village. So you're welcome to please pause, rewind this video, practice these words, send me a WhatsApp message. Your number will be protected in terms of sharing with me how things are going. And when you practice your vowels, just check with me how you're pronouncing them using the number below that's displayed in the description below. Now, in the translation, when she travels from her village, xa esuka, ehamba esuka kwilali yakhe. I'm noticing something that I also think you are seeing. I'm quite sure you are seeing as well. The she and the her. She travels, her village. The she and the her, where are the translations for those? When she travels, ehamba. In isiXhosa, it's already embedded in that ehamba. Her village, kwilali yakhe. Kwilali yakhe. The yakhe also, symbolizes or embeds the her as well. So these pronouns are sort of omitted because the verb already possesses them structurally in isiXhosa. So those are the fine differences between these languages, isiXhosa and English, these beautiful languages, isiXhosa and English. When she travels, ehamba esuka kwilali yakhe, her village. If that sentence was when the girl travels, it would be now xa when intombazana ihamba. It would be when the girl travels, intombazana. That's the Xhosa word for a girl. And the Xhosa word for a boy is inkwenkwe. Xhosa word for a boy is inkwenkwe. So please say it with me one more time. When she travels from the village, we say xa ehamba esuka kwilali yakhe. Xa ehamba esuka kwilali yakhe. Now please practice that, practice the vowels, practice the clicks, practice this part of the translation from the blurb, and share it on that WhatsApp number with us. Of course, I'm aware of confidentiality, so your number will not be displayed on our channel, or you will not be put in a WhatsApp group. We've got the POPIA Act in South Africa and so on and things like that protects people's privacy and confidential things like that. So your number, rest assured, you'll either interact with me or one of our team members using this number. Please remember also to subscribe to our channel so that you keep getting notifications and you keep getting these lessons, and for us to keep doing what we are doing. The book In Search of Happiness, written by me, is also available for sale. Please, if you'd like more information around how you can get it and how we can get a copy to you, please use the WhatsApp number below as well. This has been Learning with Sowa. Until next time, bye-bye.